Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to change the playback in feed setting in the YouTube app. This option controls whether videos play automatically when you browse your home feed. Adjusting this setting can save data and battery. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, tap on General. Now, look for the option labeled Playback in Feeds. Tap on it. You will see three choices: Always, Wi-Fi Only, and Off. Select the one that best fits your preference. Off will stop all previews from autoplaying. Wi-Fi Only will play previews only when connected to Wi-Fi. Once selected, simply tap the back arrow. Your preference will be saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully changed the playback in feed setting in the YouTube app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.